What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Vussy Magz.
Oui.
Show the view now. Show the ambience of the vibe. People are doing their stuff. Yeah, it's fine. This is how I woke up. Mara, bring it back to me. Listen, the Supreme Traders website is out. My voice is messed up because the weekend was hectic. We're celebrating our four's birthday party. You understand? I might put some highlights at the end. Mara. The website is out. We're doing a mentorship. You guys are asking for the course. The course is out. It's a mentorship. You get the whole strategy and everything, and mentored by us, month to month basis. You understand? So I'm gonna put the link below. Go check out the website. Catch you guys later, man. Peace out. Yo, what up, fam? It's your boy Vussy Magz. My voice is gonna sound a little bit weird on this one because the boy has been sick. You understand what I'm saying? I got the flu and stuff like that, but I'm surviving. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Also, I've been traveling the whole day today, so I really like my ears. You know the thing when you're traveling and your ears kind of like get blocked up or something. That's how I am right now. So I don't know how I sound. I'm just making this off the top, right? But yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, listen. Pay attention now. The boy is talking. You feel me? Big announcement. The website is up and running. You understand? I leave the link to it. Let me show you what I'm talking about right now, fam. You feel me? The website is up. You can see it's the boy. I can put my face there because it's still the boy. You understand? The website is up. The school is up. Just gonna go to Supreme Traders. Is it hash or what? Supreme Trader School, the teachable.com. I'm gonna leave the link in the pinned comment below. You can go check it out. We have our mentorship, which is the first. Cause listen, y'all want the course and stuff like that. I feel like it's better if I'm doing a mentorship type of thing where I'm gonna show you the strategies and also show you how to apply them on a month-to-month basis. You understand? So you're gonna go to the site. On the featured products, there's gonna be this part, the Supreme Traders NAS100 and US30 course. Everything is there, right? And every month we're gonna add more and more information and content to, keep upgrading the standard of everything every month, right? So when you enter, you'll see all this stuff, which is what you need to go through on your own and whatever on your time. So this whole mentorship thing includes the strategies, like I said. And then you also get content, meaning the members in the mentorship can request videos that I make on this channel out here, like one video per month for each member, you understand? And also, you get access to VIP signals, right? Signals and mentorship and everything. It's like a whole package, you understand? And then we have a curriculum that you're gonna go through. These are the videos in terms of like this is the course, like the video in terms of like video format. So the stuff, like I can just expand so you can see some of the stuff that's out there now. There's stuff like how to read pips and getting familiar with trading terms. Excuse me, how to buy and how to sell TPs and SLs, trading sessions. Talk about the buy strategy and the sell strategy and so forth. So if you're interested and you're keen on getting started and trading with the big boys, click the link below and go check it out. All right, so now we're gonna go to the analysis, because this is an analysis video breakdown. I'm giving us strategies basically, you understand, for free. So like, comment and subscribe, right? So we're gonna go to NAS100. Oh, actually it's US30. US30, I've been doing the analysis, Joe, the other week. I did the analysis on this the other week. So you guys know what's going on. The chart was there. I told you, pay attention to this trend line. There was this trend line and also this trend line. So pay attention to this one, which we broke, retested, we broke again. Then there was this one, which is holding the whole structure of this whole thing. You understand? So now we just, rejected this one also. We make contact. We don't make contact there. Can I still zoom in? I don't know how to zoom in with this thing. It's a hit or miss type of thing going on. So yeah, here we didn't make contact with the trend line, but here we did. You can see there's a massive tail at the end of this candlestick. and the following ones are showing, suggesting that there's momentum pushing upwards, right? So as you can see, depending on how the Monday session goes when you're trading in the New York, you basically see where the momentum is supposed to go. If it's supposed to push up and break out again, or if it's supposed to go down. But this is looking like a W pattern. I would put my money on buying. So just be aware and pay attention to what happens tomorrow. Because chances are it's gonna buy this thing, but just be aware of the overall structure. But yeah, you can say this is a W in the daily formation, suggesting that the price is supposed to push higher. You understand? Maybe to this level or something like that. But just be there during NY session and you make some money. If you're in the VIP signals, you make a money. You understand? So let's go to NAS100 and see what's up with the NAS100. I'm not gonna go to the smaller time frames. I just need to highlight the movement that's going on to y'all, so you know what I'm saying, y'all know what to expect. So also in NAS100, I showed you guys this channel, which is an ascending channel type of formation. You can see my trend line starts way in September 2020, even the trend line at the top, right? So I had to highlight this structure that's happening here because a similar thing happened down here. You understand? So now NAS100 didn't come to touch our trend line yet, but we came to make contact with this trend line now. And there was also this one which is kind of holding this upper structure. As you can see, we made contact once, twice, we rejected. We came to this one, we rejected this one, and then that's when we broke through this one, and we rejected this one again. But we haven't made contact with the trend line, which is what is tricky. So there's a possibility the price can still drop, and provided that the price comes back to this level, that's going to be a sniper. You understand? That's going to be a sniper, something you can hold like long-term wise, not like long-term matter, maybe a week or something. You can hold it until it rallies back up again. But if we do break out, then we're gonna see the momentum push up during the NY session. So just keep this structure, because the price can still go high and reject here and go back down. So the fact that you have this structure is gonna set you apart. You're gonna have some sort of an edge. Obviously, the other part of having an edge is gonna come through when it comes to your risk management and how you manage your accounts and stuff like that, right? So boy, I'll make you up with the highlights of the weekend. Let's go.